Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to add layers of hair in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the avatar section from the top left sidebar. Next, select the head and body tab and from the drop down, select hair. You will see all the hair items you currently own. To add layered hair, you need to make sure that the hair you want to use is compatible with layering. Now, click on the first hair you want to wear. Open this hair in another tab and copy the ID from the URL at the top. Then, return to the avatar editor and scroll down to the advanced section under the hair category. Click on it and you will see multiple boxes where you can paste assets IDs. Paste the copied ID into one of the empty boxes. You can do this for up to 10 hair items. Finally, hit save and confirm the changes. Now your avatar will have layered hair and you can mix and match different styles to create a unique look. And that's it. Now you know how to add layers of hair in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.